Hey there, everyone. Welcome to the very first episode of Simple English Stories. I'm Emma, your host, and today we're diving into something super relatable: how we can enjoy our daily routines and turn even the simplest tasks into little moments of joy. Now, you might be thinking, Emma, my routine is boring. How can I make it fun? Well, stick around because I'm about to share my story and sprinkle in some tips along the way. Trust me, it's not as hard as you think. Alright, let's start with mornings. So, I used to be one of those people who absolutely hated waking up early. My alarm would go off, and I'd hit snooze at least 3 times. Sound familiar? But then, something clicked. I realized that how I start my day sets the tone for everything else. So, I decided to make mornings my happy hour. Here's what I do now. I wake up at 7 a.m., open my window, and take a big breath of fresh air. It's such a small thing, but it helps me feel awake and refreshed. Then, I drink a big glass of water, hydration first, coffee later. After that, I put on some upbeat music, something fun like Ed Sheeran or Dua Lipa, and I let myself dance around while making breakfast. Yes, I know, it sounds silly, but starting the day with a smile really makes a difference. Okay, so mornings are sorted, but what about afternoons? For me, this used to be the hardest part of the day. Around 2 or 3 p.m., I'd hit that infamous energy slump. You know, when you feel like you could just curl up and nap. Here's how I fixed that. First, I make sure to eat a light but satisfying lunch, something like a salad with chicken or a turkey sandwich. No heavy pasta dishes for me during the day. Then, I take a quick 10-minute walk outside. It doesn't have to be a hike or anything fancy, just a stroll around the block works. And here's a little trick: I plan one fun thing for the afternoon. Maybe it's trying a new coffee place, reading a chapter of my favorite book, or calling a friend for a quick chat. Having something to look forward to keeps me motivated and energized. Now, let's talk about evenings. This is when I wind down and let go of the day's stress. After dinner, which is usually something simple like pasta with veggies or a rice bowl, I like to take 20 minutes just for me. Sometimes that means journaling, writing about what went well during the day and what I'm grateful for. Other times, it's sipping on a cup of herbal tea while listening to calming music. But my favorite part? Reading. I've been working through this amazing book called Atomic Habits, and it's so inspiring. It's my way of ending the day with positivity and a little personal growth. Now that I've shared my routine, let me give you some quick tips to make your day a little brighter. Start small, you don't need a big overhaul. Just add one small habit, like drinking water first thing in the morning. Find what makes you happy, whether it's music, a good book, or a quick call with a friend. Include things you genuinely enjoy. Take breaks, even a 5-minute stretch can do wonders for your focus. End your day with gratitude, reflecting on the good moments, even tiny ones, helps you sleep better and wake up feeling positive. So, that's my take on making daily routines more enjoyable. Remember, it's not about having a perfect schedule, it's about finding little moments of joy in your day. Now it's your turn. What's one thing you love about your daily routine? Share it in the comments or send me a message. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Simple English Stories for more episodes, and I'll see you next time. Until then, take care and keep smiling.